Hi, this is Dudong Didun and welcome back to my channel. And yes, merong bagong pinakamurang wireless earbuds si Samsung. This is the Galaxy Buds Core. Yan. Si Samsung na yung nag-a-adjust para lang ma-innovate. Hindi na kayo dependable sa mga wired earphone is because meron ng pinaka-affordable na wireless earbud yet more powerful, high quality ang sounds. Kaya wag na nating patagalin. Pasok, intro! So, bakit nga ba may Galaxy Buds Core na isinilang si Samsung? Actually, matagal na nag-transition si Samsung sa wireless eh. But there are still people who are interested to use a wired headphones. Mahal naman kasi ng wireless earbuds or wireless headphones. And kung bibili naman ako ng mura or makakahanap tayo ng mura na wireless earbuds, medyo ang pangit din naman ng sound. Don't worry, okay, meron na tayong Samsung Galaxy Buds Core. Eto, bago natin pag-usapan, okay? Pasok! Pareho talaga yung mukha ni Galaxy Buds FE and the Galaxy Buds Core. Pareho sila ng size, 6.5mm. May mga nadagdag at meron ding nabawas. Number 1 is the price. Yung Galaxy Buds FE is 5,490. While si Galaxy Buds Core is only 2,690. Parang almost half of the price yung tinanggal ni Samsung for you to have a very nice audio quality wireless buds. Okay? Yun yung pinakamagandang magandang impact, yung price point. Number 2, if naka-on yung active noise cancellation sa Buds FE, the Galaxy Buds FE will give you a playtime maximum of 21 hours. While si Galaxy Buds Core, if naka-on yung active noise cancellation, will only give you 20 hours. So, isang oras lang yung difference. Okay? Now, this is the advantage of Galaxy Buds Core compared sa Galaxy Buds FE. If naka-off naman yung active noise cancellation ni Buds Core, will give you 35 hours compared to the Galaxy Buds FE na only 30 hours. So, may nadagdag, may nabawas. IP rating ni Galaxy Buds FE is only IPX2, while the Galaxy Buds Core is IP54 water and dust resistance rating. Ano yung mga hindi tinanggal na feature? Of course, hindi mawawala yung active noise cancellation. Number 2, yung ambient sound. So, ibig sabihin, when you're wearing the buds, you can still actually hear your environment. And don't you know that this has triple mic system? Okay? So, maganda rin naman yung i-produce na sound ni Galaxy Buds Core kahit na ito yung pinaka-affordable or entry-level na buds ni Samsung. So, present pa rin yung easy pairing. So, if you are within the same ecosystem, Samsung to Samsung, mas madaling i-pair ang Galaxy Buds Core if you will be using a Samsung device. Yung auto switching, hindi na rin nila tinanggal yon. And of course, say for example, this is connected to your tablet, and while you're doing your reports, somebody call into your phone, you don't need to turn it off on your tablet. You don't need to actually activate it in your phone. Auto switching, hindi nila tinanggal itong feature na to basta same ecosystem. Yung offline finding, no, 'di ba? This works as an AirTag, no? Basta naka-connect lang siya sa SmartThings. So, if you feel like you have lost you have forgotten to bring your buds, then this works as an AirTag or SmartTag as well. Via Bluetooth ha, iba yung AirTag via GPS. It's connected via Bluetooth. Yung voice assistance din, hindi nila tinanggal yon sa Galaxy Buds Core. Yes. So say for example, this is connected to your AI device or Samsung AI device. Yes, you can still use the voice assistance with the Galaxy Buds Core. Yung touch control, hindi na rin nila tinanggal yon. Kahit na medyo affordable yung Galaxy Buds Core, yung touch control, yung one tap, double tap, and triple taps, that's how easy it is to navigate, to control, because wireless na guys. You don't have to get your phone and then do the manual switching. No, just easy tap, then automatically you can actually control your buds. Supported ba ito ng wireless charger? No, definitely not. Okay? Even the Galaxy Buds FE, it is not supported with wireless charging. Kaya siguro siya pinamura is because the charging cable is not included in the box. So, however, if you still have your Type-C cable, pwedeng hindi ka na naman bumili. Okay? Based on my opinion, if you are really into music, into sound, have you experienced a high-resolution sound parang pang cinematic na? If I will be comparing the Buds Core, now yung Galaxy Buds Core, I cannot tell na pangit siya. I cannot tell na hindi siya maganda. Maganda pa rin siya. Now, for a person who are into music, into sound quality, 1 to 10, okay, 10 being the highest, okay, I would rate the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro as 10 because hi-fi ready yun. No questions asked, as in. Now, I tried to use the Galaxy Buds Core. Hindi ko ma-differentiate which one is the Buds 3 and Buds Core is because maganda yung quality ng audio na ipinoproduce ni Galaxy Buds Core. Mafe-feel mo lang yung Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro na high resolution audio or hi-fi ready is because parang may kiliti, parang may effect when you use the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro, parang what? May ganon pa-effect. If 10 yung rating ko for the Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro, I would rate this one as 7. So dun sa mga hindi man masyadong mahilig sa music and gusto nilang maganda yung audio quality, tapos mura pa, then I would definitely suggest the Galaxy Buds Core because this is only 2,690. Instead of you will rely on wired headphones, let's move forward. Samsung is now making an adjustment for you to adapt to the technology na wireless na po tayo and affordable, di ba? Hindi mo na kinahanglan nga makaingon ka na ay mupalit ko og kanang wireless buds pero mahal. No. Come here in Samsung Experience Store Ayala Center Cebu is because available na yung sa Galaxy Buds Core namin, dito, ang variant nito is color white and black. Okay? Depende sa gusto nyo. But I prefer white. Depende yun sa gusto. Pero kung gusto nyo ng black para hindi masyadong madumihin, then go for the black. So that is my honest review. Once again, I am Dudong Ditun na nag-iwan ng kasabihang stay safe and always stay awesome. Bye!